Hey, I'm Wes with BELLA+CANVAS. This is our premium tee, and this is that other tee you're debating printing on instead. You may not be able to see a difference online, but choosing either the scratchy C.O.E. or a quick and dirty faux premium tee could actually cost you thousands in order returns, distorted prints, and disappointed customers. Even worse, you may be funding sweatshops. Who knows? They're not really transparent about their manufacturing like we are. Aside from having all of our facilities WRAP certified and FLA affiliated, which basically ensures safe working conditions and fair wage, there's a few other differences you should know about. Like the side seam. This is the first sign you're dealing with a premium tee, a real one, not faux premium. And you actually look amazing in it. If it doesn't have a side seam, it means one, it was quick and cheap to make, and two, it's not cut to fit your body, or anybody. It's just a shapeless tube. You know, shaped like a tube? Our side seam gives us the perfect fit, and all of our fabric is pre-shrunk. You know what that means? It means that before we cut and sew the material, we run it through these state-of-the-art pre-shrink machines. The other guys, they don't do that. Who cares? Well, you and your customers will. No one likes shrinkage. It's not cute. It can also distort your print. We cut all of our garments right here in America using automated cutting machines. In fact, you're looking at the largest automated cutting facility in the world. The other guys use this hand cutter, which leads to wildly inconsistent batches and more trips to the hospital to sew fingers back on. Our fabric's also amazing. You see, this faux premium tee is ring spun, but it's not combed, so it isn't actually clean. Then there's combed and ring spun cotton, which gets some of this crap out of there. Then you have our heirloom combed and ring spun cotton, which is 25% cleaner. It's like really, really clean. Now, most importantly, BELLA+CANVAS is ethically made and eco-friendly. It's no secret that a lot of non-premium or faux premium tees are made overseas in areas with cheap, exploitative labor and low regulations on pollution. BELLA+CANVAS is USA strong. We create more than 1,200 American jobs every year. The majority of our dyeing is done right here in Los Angeles, with the strictest water regulations in the US. We also recycle all of our waste and are working to build solar farms to help neutralize our carbon footprint. As you can see, not all tees are created equal. So if you care about good working conditions, building your brand with integrity, and all around fantastic quality, then go with the real thing. Choose BELLA+CANVAS.